2x plus 3x plus 4 equals 24. So this should be fun. We want to solve for x, or get x by itself on one side of the equation. Right now we've got two terms that contain an x. There's 2x and a 3x. And the number 4 by itself, that's a constant. And then on the other side we have the number 24 by itself. So what we want to get is x by itself on one side of the equation. Well, the first thing we want to do is look for any opportunities to simplify the problem before we start working on it. And we can simplify this 2x plus 3x because 2x plus 3x is 5x. 2 times anything plus 3 times that same thing is the same as 5 times that. So 2x plus 3x simplifies to 5x. Okay? And then everything else I'll just rewrite it unchanged. I'll rewrite it the same way. So 2x plus 3x is 5x plus the 4 equals 24. And now, in the next step, I'd like to get rid of this 4 out here. We'll get to the 5 last, but we'll work our way towards that. Let's get rid of this 4 first. So I'm going to rewrite the problem, or rewrite the last equation. 5x plus 4 equals 24. So nothing changed. I just rewrote it. And now I'm going to get rid of this 4 by subtracting 4 from both sides. And that's something you can do anytime you want. You can always add something, subtract something, multiply something, divide something. You can do anything you want to both sides of the equation as long as you do the same thing to both sides of the equation. So on the left side, our 5x plus 4 minus 4 is really the same as 5x plus 0, right? Because 4 minus 4 is 0. So I'm just going to simplify that. I'm going to write that as 5x. You could just call it 5x. I'm just going to drive home the point and put the 0 here so you can see that this 4 minus 4 simplified to 0. And then on the right side, that equals 24 minus 4, and that is 20, right? 24 minus 4 is 20. So 5x plus 0 is the same as 5x, and that equals 20. And now once again I'm going to do the same thing to both sides. In order to get rid of this 5, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 5. Divide the left side by 5, and now divide the right side by 5. And when I do that, I know that 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that means that 1x is equal to, what do we have on the right side? 20 divided by 5 is 4. So our solution is x equals 4. I can just rewrite that as x equals 4. You don't need to have the 1 out there. We know that 1x and x are the same thing. So our solution is x equals 4. We're going to plug in this number 4 back into the original equation and make sure that both sides are equal. And if they are, we know we got the right answer. So let me just rewrite the original problem. 2x plus 3x plus 4 equals 24. All I did was rewrite this original equation from here to there. No change. But now I'm going to plug in the number 4 wherever there's an x. And we'll see if both sides stay equal. So it's 2x, but instead of x, we're plugging in 4. So it's 2 times 4 plus 3 times x, but x is 4. So it's 3 times 4 plus this 4 right here that was part of the original problem, and that equals on the right side 24. So now we'll continue to simplify. On the left side, 2 times 4 is 8 plus, so we'll continue to simplify on the left side. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 times 4 is 12. That is a terrible 12, but anyway. So this 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 equals 24. And now we'll continue to simplify on the left side. 8 plus 12 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So 24 on the left side equals, and on the right side we're just bringing down the 24. Okay, so the left and the right are equal, so that checks out. When we plugged in our x equals 4, that means that the solution of x equals 4 was correct.
Thumbs up and subscribe. For more videos like this, check out algebravideos.com.